Welcome to Technic Power and a new tutorial. In today's video, we want to show you how you can transfer pictures and videos from your smartphone to the TV. After the intro, we'll get started right away. We have a Panasonic TV and an Apple phone here. With Android, this works very easily with screen mirroring or mirrorcast. With Android, as I said, it's much easier. With Apple, it's a bit more complicated. There is an app here that is absolutely top-notch, for example, with which you can play your Apple phone one-on-one on the Panasonic TV. Unfortunately, it's not free. I found another one here, and with it you can mirror your photos and videos on the TV in the same way. To do this, we have to download the app. We go to our App Store and type in Panasonic Remote here. And we can already see Panasonic TV Remote 2. That's the one we need down here, and we have to download it. With this remote, we can do pretty much anything that would normally cost a lot of money. Again, this app is free, even if it only has 2 stars, and we want to show you the function now. It takes a while for the app to be downloaded. So, it's done, and we open the app. This is what the app looks like. Now, of course, we have to allow the app to be in our network, otherwise the whole thing won't work. We delete the whole thing, and now our TV is searched. So, TV and smartphone in the same network. TV was found. Type on it, and now we have to enter the code that can be seen on the TV. If you did everything right, you will get this message and you can confirm it with OK. We have to allow all of this on all photos, of course, otherwise the whole thing won't work. I start the app here. And you have to go to this point here, swipe and share. And if you did that, you have video, photo and music here. I click on photo and say here last, for example. I want this picture on the TV. I take the picture and simply push it up to the TV, and the picture will be transferred to the TV. You can turn it around as you have seen. You can do pretty much everything here. So, we go back. You can do the same with videos, as I said. Here is the next photo, and you see how easy it works. And with videos it is no different. Or, for example, WhatsApp. If I select something here, I take the photo and push it up. This file is not supported now. It depends on which files you have, depending on whether it is supported or not. But it was never easier to bring your files to the TV here. As you can see, it is a great app with which you can transfer your pictures and videos and music to the TV. If you know another app that can do the same, please write that in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so that you are always up to date. Technic Bausak, thanks for watching and goodbye.